Learning Forex on YouTube can be very, very difficult and confusing, especially with so many wrong information which we have scattered all over the internet. But since I came across Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali, I discovered that his training is very unique and in his approach. You know, he it is kind of organized, very organized, that it takes you from a step to another step to from a level to another level in the order of importance. You know, the support and resistance, Fibonacci retracements, moving averages, trend lines, risk management, candlestick analysis, and a whole lot more. You know, how to read price charts, and even his with this private student group on Facebook, where you can submit your markups and chart analysis for him to look at it. In fact, it helps you in your learning process and in achieving your goals as a forest. So I actually really recommend um, that particular website. It helped me a lot. Honestly, it helped me a lot. I really recommend to upcoming traders to really take a look at it and subscribe to it. Thank you very much.